Good morning, YouTube. Louie here with the best silver gold deals of Tuesday, July 9th, 2024. Let's get going with spot prices. And we have got gold down 70 cents to 2,358.90, and silver up 29 cents to 31 even in the spot market, but well over 31 in the futures market. We had the dip yesterday I was thinking would come, shook out some people, busted some stops, and here we are right back to where we started, or at least pretty close. In the GSR continues to fall. Now we are at 76, with downside to 72 in my opinion, and upside to probably 80. What is happening in the debt market? The 10-year is higher this morning at 0.033, 4.301, so 4.3, as people await Powell's testimony in about an hour and a half, no, in about a half an hour. He is going to come out in Washington and start speaking, and there will be immediate reaction to that speech today and tomorrow, followed by CPI release on Thursday, and that is significant. The dollar is up a little bit to 105.10. No new story there. Dollar continues to be strong. Copper is waiting for China to report some economic data and is sitting at 4.612. What is that? Down just a hair, but holding above that 4.5 level that it seems to like. Copper being a signal for silver, since the majority of silver usage is in the industrial market, highly dependent on China's expanding economy. Well, it's been in the doldrums for nearly a year now, but they are throwing everything but the kitchen sink at the problem and using a lot of industrial metals in the meantime. If the China CPI release comes in hot, then that probably is good for metals. It just means that they are rolling hard and will be using a lot of silver and copper. If you're new to this video series, you can subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like it. I update a website, bestsilvergolddeals.com, every day to find you the best deals anywhere on the internet. And then we do some discussion about what I'm thinking about the direction of metals and the overall market. So feel free to subscribe to, join about 600 people that have subscribed to the website and watch it daily. Okay, on the economic calendar, as I mentioned, we have the Fed, at 10 a.m., 9:15, I'm not sure, 10 o'clock, the Fed is going to be in Washington today and tomorrow, and he usually walks a pretty fine line in Washington. I don't expect it to move the markets, and often he can be a little bit on the hawkish side, but he will be getting grilled on why he has not reduced interest rates, but he's pretty good at responding to that. Okay, in the pre-market, we are in the neutral on the fear-greed indicator at 53. That has come down just a little bit. Dow futures up 36, S&P futures up 11, NASDAQ futures up 64. Again, Thursday is the day that I'm waiting for, and I think there's going to be a correction in the stock market on Thursday. That's just what I think. No financial advice here, just my gut feeling. Okay, over on the website, let's go take a look at 1/10 Gold Eagle. Best price at Pinehurst, 270.15. And we'll try to find the best place here, Costco, eBay, everywhere, and see where we can snag silver and gold the cheapest. But preview of coming report here, I put my caution light on. All right, we've got 1/10 Gold Eagles at Pinehurst, 269.96. We've got 1/10 Britannias at Liberty, 256.12. Good price there. Philharmonics at Monument Metals at 261.43. In the quarter ounce category, quarter ounce Britannia at Liberty, 626.25. Good price there. And if you're looking on if you're looking for a quarter ounce Gold Eagle, that can be had at 637.77 and 644 on eBay. So better here. In the half ounce Gold Eagle category, Liberty 1,255, and that is one half ounce Eagle at Liberty Coin. American Gold Eagle, best price at bullion exchanges, 2,434. I'm going to leave off the pennies, but quite a bit cheaper on eBay when you check down below. Buffalo category, best Buffalo at Bold at 2,462, but I would wait for the Costco deals. Pre-33 Eagle, pretty good deal for a BU Eagle, 2,345 at bullion exchanges. And we can do a 1 ounce maple at bullion exchanges, 2,402. A Britannia at bullion exchanges out of stock this morning. A Krugerrand can be had for 2,388 at bullion exchanges, 2,374 on eBay last time I checked after a 3% credit card rebate. Okay, and the 100 Corona is still a good deal over at bullion.com, 2,340, little less than an ounce of gold there. If you're looking for the foreign 20 franc, those went out of stock. Well, here they are here. 449, 452 for the Rooster. Okay, I'll have to fix that listing, but the Rooster is a decent coin there. If you're looking for 20 francs, a little less than 0.2 ounces of gold. All right, and golden assay at bullion exchanges, 2,396. Platinum Eagles over at Hero, 1,155. What the price of platinum must have come down quite a bit. All right, and in the platinum coin category, best one is the Maple over at Silver Gold Bull US, 1,079. And cheaper for the bars, of course. Best Silver Eagle is one at spot at bullion exchanges, but pick up all their spot deals while you're there. And the remainder of the tube at bullion exchanges, $36. $35.70 for a tube of 20. On eBay, you're going to be at $34.95, and on Costco, you're going to be at about $34.56. This assumes a 3% rebate card, 3% credit card with rebates on PayPal. I recommend 2 of them, and a 4% rebate on Costco, which would be a 2% credit card. Which I hope you have, and a 2% executive club membership. If you have both those, you'd be at $34.56 on Eagles. Eagles getting a little pricey here. Anything new at the U.S. Mint, and we have no new report on Silver Eagles. A little bit of gold dribbling out there. Here is what I'm thinking at the moment. I've got the caution light on. We had the dip and busted the stops, came right back up, and I think we could have a rally today. Could even be a substantial rally, but if it doesn't get over 32, I'm not excited about that. I am concerned about Thursday, and again, we may drift higher here for today and maybe even tomorrow, but Thursday could be a rug pull, so I'm saying go slow at this moment in time. Wait for Thursday, see what happens, and maybe there will be a better buying opportunity. Okay, that's just my thought at the moment, so I'm saying slow down. All right, and copper is doing well. That part of the story is intact. We are in a bull market, certainly an uptrend for metals, so the backdrop is good, but again, I think everything has assumed that CPI is going to come in on the weaker side, and I don't like that setup here. Okay, best 1 ounce maple at bullion exchanges at spot. Remainder at bullion exchanges, 33.76. And quite a bit cheaper on eBay at 32.96. Okay, and 1 RU at spot. Remainder of the RUs at bullion exchanges, 33.70. Britannia's bullion exchanges, 33.66. Similar pricing on the Philharmonic. On the Costco side, we've got the Silver Eagles are up and live. Get over there right now if you want to pick those up. Oh, come on back. Oh, heck, they went out of stock. I think they were up. Was it the maples that were up? Well, what the heck happened here? I think maybe it was the gold. Maybe my mind's playing tricks on me. Yeah, I think it's the gold that's up. So $23.99 for a gold maple in card at Costco. And again, if you have a 2% rebate credit card, presently I'm using the PayPal card. But you could be using the Wells Fargo card or any other card that gets you a 2% rebate. They're not that hard to find. And I have an executive club membership, so that'd get you this maple at about 2,300, considerably under spot if you're looking for a gold maple. And the other one is the gold, no, not the Gold Eagle. Let's see, is it the Buffalo? No. All right, well, I think we only have the gold maple up at Costco this morning. And I am completely lost. Okay, let's go. In the junk category, good deal over here at SD Bullion, 228.01 for $10 face. But the three YouTube coin shops that I recommend on my website have been having junk at spot deals. In that case, you will have to pay for shipping, so you decide if that's a better deal for you. If you want a kilo, not a bad price. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. What did I do? I put this in the wrong place. Okay, I'll have to fix that. Well, I do like the flag bar at $32.60 over at JM Bullion for a 1 ounce bar. The kilo, I think, might have been at SD Bullion. All right, we've got bars at spot. Here's a 10 ounce generic bar for $320.80 at Golden Eagle. Mama Baby Kangaroo is $33 an ounce presently. And Kazoo is, let's see, what are they charging these days? They have a $5 coupon, but 95 would put you at about 32, nearly 32 for, there's your reward for $5 off. So we're about 32-ish on Kazoo for that nice looking cast bar. I like the Silvertown bars over at Monument Metals, $325.30 if you are buying this morning. But those YouTube coin dealers, I mean, they are having 50 cent over spot, 25 cent over spot. Any generic bullion is probably going to be cheaper at the YouTube coin dealers, but do factor in their shipping and check their sales tax rules. Okay, we've got silver rounds, any condition, 32.01. We've got other silver rounds that are secondary market, 31.93 at Monument Metals. And 1 ounce buffaloes, is that Kazoo? Yeah, 1 ounce buffaloes, 32.46 over at Kazoo. Generic bars are 32.45 at SD Bullion. And here's that flag bar, which, yeah, I've got it in here twice now, 32.58. All right, if we're looking on eBay for Silver Eagles, as I told you, you can get them cheaper. Let's find a good seller. Oh, this guy's back. The guy with the vintage rounds. Let's see, these have milk spots. Don't want those. Lower grade, don't want those. No, that is not the guy I was thinking it was. Here we've got 20 silver round. We've got 20 Eagles, 2019 for $7.20. That's 36 an ounce, about 35 after credit card rebates for the Silver Eagles. Okay, and here are the maples. I already told you those are cheaper on eBay this morning. Check the listing. Let's see. The cheapest was $9.50. What are the Britannias going for? Cheapest Britannia. Whoa, $8.50. Where am I? What's going on here? Cheapest Britannia, $8.50. I got to do the math on that. Something's wrong here. 850 divided by 25 times 0.97 times 0.97. If you have a good credit card, you're at $32.98. That makes sense. But what's going on with the maples? Oh, I don't know what this 949 thing is up here. They're 880. The 880. So, like I was saying, the Britannias are much cheaper than the maples this morning. Can we beat 850 on the Kangaroos? No, 850 on the Kangaroos, but a good price. How about the Krugerrands? Can we beat 850? 849 on the Krugerrands, good price. In the junk category, how cheap can we get our junk? 23.5. You would take 75 cents off, would put you at 22.75 for junk. And you can just try to find whatever you want. If you're looking for walkers, let's see, what do we got here? I mean, standing liberties. That is 236. That would be about 229 or something. times face. Okay, so whatever you're looking for in the junk category, you can check it there. I do like the Carson Cities. Check those out, and Peace Dollars as well. Those are graded. You won't get scammed buying a graded coin. Most of the raw coins on eBay are crap. I'm just saying now. You think you're getting a good one, and you're not. All right, Libertads. Now let's skip those. Cheapest kilo on eBay. 1050. Is that for real? 1050, 1050. There we go. Oh, it's a half kilo. Yeah, forget that. Real kilos, 1050. You would take about $30 off. You'd be at about 1020 for a kilo. We can do that math. 1020 divided by 32 times 0.97 with a good credit card. And we'll be at 30.91. Good price on kilos this morning. That might be the place to buy them. How about a kilo kook? And a kilo kooks are $1,110 this morning. All right, and these have been good prices on the tubes of kooks if you like those. And if you're looking for the best price on a silver round, $32.50 gets you stackable Morgans. Ooh, I like those. Those are nice. Anything stackable is always very cool. So let's see, 3% off would be about $100 off. You'd be about $21.50. That'd be the best deal on 1 ounce rounds this morning. And smaller lot here is a lot of 20. All right, on the Johnson Matthey bars, we're going to skip the 1 ounce and go to the 10 ounce, $3.39. Oh my gosh. Okay, phone's going off. Good price on the Johnson Matthey bars, especially if they're the vintage variety. And 100 ounce bars are going to be, that's no good, 3,100. Is that an active listing? Yeah, he's got 3 here of the RCM bars. Oh, nice. 3,100. Why is that so cheap? Wow, so that would be well under. Is that for real? Let me do that again. This is why we do this. You got to go through them all every day. Local pickup. Oh, I forgot this guy. He got me again. 3164. Is that out of stock? Yeah. Yeah, no, it's not Christmas. 3170, is that for real? It is for real. It is BGASC. It is, ooh, nice old Johnson Matthey bar. Actually, that looks like a new Johnson Matthey bar. So, 3170, $100 off will put you at 3070. Well, that's under spot, isn't it? 3070, and yeah, we lost our rally there. 30, that's 10 cents under spot at the moment. Whoa, I'll never find my place again now. That's a good deal. That's a good damn deal. You can melt that if you want. Okay, I like the BU Peace Dollars, of course you know that. And I like the Morgans in tube. In a Platinum Eagle category, 1181, about 1150 after rebates. In the gold category, cheapest 1/10 ounce gold is going to be $261 for a Britannia, $750 off. Would put you in the low 250s for a 1/10 Britannia. Good price. Cheapest quarter ounce gold is $637 for the Snowy Owl minus rebates. Okay, if you're looking for half ounce gold, cheapest price is $12 commemorative. Varied condition, I don't like that one. American Arts, I'm going to skip that one. Let's see. I'm going to go to something more traditional. Oh, here's a Panda, half ounce Panda, $12.45. And a half ounce gold Year of the Child, half ounce gold random varied condition. Okay, here's a straight up Krugerrand, $12.51. And you would get about $36 off. You'd be in the low 1200s for a half ounce gold Krugerrand. That's a pretty good choice right there from a reputable dealer. All right, I won't linger in the half ounce. I already told you the 1 ounce is going to be cheaper on eBay. So you can get a Britannia for $24.25. $75 off would put you about $23.50, just a little over spot for a 1 ounce Britannia. In the Panda category, $24.47. That's out of stock. I gotta fix the Pandas. Okay, in the commemorative category, 596 is your best price for commemorative minus discounts. And in the 20 franc category, let's see, 450, 465, 467. Let's check out the Angel. The Angel at 467.67. Let's just see what the price on this is. And it is 0.1867. So 467 divided by 0.1867. It's a beautiful coin as well. Times 0.97. We're going to get the melt value here. 2426 for the Helvetia. All right, those are nice there, and there's quantity discounts on those as well. All right, I won't do the libs. What else we got going on here? Vintage bars. I'll wrap this up pretty soon here. We got vintage bars, 341 varied condition, 344, 340 for an Engelhard. You get $10 off with your credit card. Okay, let's just keep moving. Stuff in my store, stuff you may need, stuff you may want to prepare and protect. And here is the Amex card I recommend for shopping on eBay. Shop through PayPal, default to Amex, get 3% off. And then you get 3% at Amazon, you get 3% at the grocery store. Man, I'm cleaning up with that with groceries lately. Yeah, and you know, well, I won't get into my meat story. I just picked up so much meat. It's ridiculous what they sell meat for on 3-day weekends. Getting the ribeyes, the rib roasts, the tri-tips. Buy a bunch of those, put them in the deep freeze, pay with your Amex card, get 3% off. That's a trifecta. Okay, the PayPal card is 3% cash back on PayPal, also at the US Mint if you want to shop there, and anywhere that takes PayPal. Some coin dealers online will take PayPal, and if there's only a 3% markup for credit cards, pay with PayPal, get your shit right away, okay? But the 2% everywhere else is going away. It's going to 1.5%. So I'll have to find another 2% credit card for just generic shopping. And various spot deals. If you don't know, at bullion.com, you can load their app and pick up these, I believe it is a full tube of buffaloes. Let's see. I think that's a full tube of buffaloes. Even if you got other deals with them before, if you load their app, you can get their buffaloes at spot. So I wouldn't hesitate to do that if you're cautious about buying. And in the kookaburra category, these are still the same from yesterday. $10.44 for a kook, good price on a kilo kook. And let's see what else we want to look at. How about these stackable Patriot bars? $3.35. Not bad if you like to stack them high. 10-ounce Britannia, $3.50, getting a little pricey there, but still very pretty. Let's see if that 10-ounce Una is still in stock. It is $3.33, man. Pick up all you want of those. I got 6 of those the other day. They come in a capsule. And about half were perfect, and about half maybe had some little marks. Nothing really terrible. Okay, and in the gold category, this Double Eagle 2375, extra fine. No, we beat that deal above. Okay, don't forget your nickels. Go to the bank and pick up your $100 box. Here are the 3 coin dealers I recommend. Minot had a great sale yesterday. Vermilion had a great sale if you're looking for graded Carson City Morgans. And I believe he had some generic bars very cheap as well. I believe Minot had off-quality Silver Eagles for $2 over spot. If you're selling your silver, I know Vermilion is paying $2.50 over for Silver Eagles, whereas JM Bullion is paying almost nothing for silver these days. So you decide what that means. I can't tell you why they're paying so little. I expect Eagle premiums to go up. If you want to support my work here, you can always buy me a cup of coffee. If you get a good deal, share the wealth. And newretirement.com is a website I highly recommend. I think you should try out the free trial and plan your retirement, even if you're 50, even if you're 40, even if you're 30. Sooner you start planning, the sooner you'll get retired. Okay, other spot deals. The Walmart card is a good card. 5% off on Walmart. Capital One gets you these kicker deals. I do recommend that as well. And that is all we're going to do today. Quick look in the chat room and people talking about the Discover card with a 5% cash back. And the Fed's interest rate decision, which the talk on Capitol Hill. You're going to see that all over the news today. So yeah, check that out and see what it does to metals. Let's go back to spot price and let's see what happens. People are probably worried about Powell saying something wrong, but he likely will walk the line. So again, we could see that rally today. My caution light is on, and we'll see where we go on Thursday. But I would just cool my jets here, unless you got a really small stack and you're just going to keep buying. If you are, pick up the best deals. Okay, that's why we're here. I appreciate you guys watching as always, and I will see you tomorrow. Don't forget that thumbs up on your way out and subscribe if you want more. Bye.